Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Silver Series HW Speed Graphics. So we have the GDG44 case code on here. That is for the Themed Automotive Assortment. This is a Walmart exclusive case. I was able to buy it online. So I was able to get this case sent directly to my house. Said factory sealed. This is the J case, which should be HW Speed Graphics. Let's open it up and see exactly what the case break is here. So, like all these kind of Silver Series Walmart exclusive cases, they do tend to be uneven packs. And that's kind of my main premise for showing you exactly these case unboxings is that you can see the case breakdown. So when you're at retail and you wonder why there are so many of one car on a peg versus another, you'll see exactly why. All right. First car out of the case is the Porsche 914 Safari. So this is in kind of an orange deco. What is the theme here? Is it just Porsche? Just the Porsche livery? So all of these, what is it? Oh, Type 7. So I think, right? Let me pull another one in the case here. Okay, so we see HW Speed Graphics. We have, obviously it carries over from the mainline basics kind of name, where it has like these cars with the livery from a certain automotive industry parts manufacturer or whatnot. So this is a new, I believe this is new, kind of a new license, is Type 7, and I'm not even sure exactly what they do. But this is on the Porsche 914 Safari. So that is number 3 of 5 in this series. So we get 2 of those in this case. All right, next car out of the case is the Range Rover Classic. So we get this Range Rover in a Castrol deco. Very cool. And then you get the Castrol banner in the background of this kind of, what is like a tunnel? Some sort of like racing tunnel or whatnot. All right, so HW Speed Graphics, Castrol livery on the Range Rover Classic. Just a nice kind of a nice little release there. All right, next one out of the case is, all right, we have the Mazda RX-3 in a Mother's Wax deco. So I think it's been a while, right? It's been a hot minute since we've seen the Mother's Wax livery. Back in the early 2000s, we used to see several vehicles with this livery. There was a good partnership between Hot Wheels and Mother's at the time. But needless to say, it is back on the Mazda RX-3. So the Mazda RX-3 has been hot lately. It's got a lot of releases. And this is one more to add to the collection. Hey, it's a casting I collect as well, so one more added bonus there. So that's number 4 or 5 in the series. I really like the art. I love the artwork on this series. Yes, and then the banner in the background is just a nice touch. So you get the sponsor kind of ×2. Sponsor, whatever you call it, livery. But man, yeah, artwork is on point. All right, let's skip to I see a lot of these blue ones in here, so let's grab that. So the car that comes 3 to a case, appropriately so, is the 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. So obviously, being that it's a Civic, it's gonna fly off the pegs. And it's in this really, really awesome Falcon livery. And if you're not familiar with the Silver Series, you get full deco. Front, back, top, sides, hood. So, and then some sporadic metal bases. This does not have a metal base, so this is plastic. It comes with those 5-star wheels that are exclusive to the premium, semi-premium, right? Silver label premium, Silver Series, whatever you want to call it. But we got 3 of those in this case. Do we have any cars? No, all the rest of the cars have plastic bases so far. So, no metal bases, but we do get full livery. So, with that being said, there's 2 to a case for the Porsche, 2 for the Castrol, 2 for the Porsche, 2 for the Castrol Range Rover, 2 for the Mazda RX-3, 3 for the Honda Civic. So if you're doing your math at home, that leaves one car left in the 10-car case, and that is your Big Air Bel Air with the Eibach livery. So this is going to be, I assume, the hardest one in this case to find. And this casting is another one I collect. So we have two cars that I collect in this assortment, which is nice. It was definitely one of the reasons that helped me buy this case online, being that I needed 5 cars of this case anyways. And one like this is going to be hard to find. So not a bad choice in terms of getting the case. Good luck finding sealed cases online. I know they're not very easy to find, but this is 5 of 5, and that is a nice version of this casting. Eibach. Just some those new off-road wheels that have only appeared in the Silver Premium Series. The back detail, front detail. So very nice 5-car set. Obviously exclusive to Walmart. Yeah, look for it. It's appearing now. GDG44 is your assortment code. It also appears on the top of the cards here. And then if you ever wondered what to look for at retail, you'll see that it should match up with what's in the pegs at Walmart in terms of the price tags. And then the J case, so 957J is what you're looking for there. So thank you for watching. Make sure you check out OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. I have a full list of these semi-premium Silver Series, whatever you'd like to call them, on the website under the master list for 2024. And yeah, that's it. The case unboxing, quick one. It's only 10 pieces in this case, so look forward to at your local Walmart stores. Thank you for watching.